Modern boats often rely on AC power for various appliances and systems. This provides the convenience of household electricity while on board. However, managing multiple AC sources, such as shore power generators and inverters, requires careful consideration. Without proper management, there are risks of electrical hazards, equipment damage, and system failures. A well-designed electrical system ensures seamless switching between these sources. It also prevents potentially dangerous situations like electrical backfeed. This is when current flows in the opposite direction, potentially damaging equipment or even starting a fire. This is where source selector panels come in. These panels act as the central hub for managing and directing AC power throughout the boat. They provide a safe and efficient way to connect, isolate, and switch between different power sources. Understanding how source selector panels work is crucial for any boat owner who utilizes AC power. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into their components, benefits, and how to use them safely and effectively. Source selector panels are not merely convenient additions to a boat's electrical system. They're essential for safety and proper operation. One of their primary functions is to prevent electrical backfeed. Backfeed occurs when power flows from the boat back into the shore power grid or between different sources. This can be extremely dangerous, potentially damaging equipment at the dock or even electrocuting someone. Source selector panels utilize components like transfer switches to ensure that power flows in only one direction, eliminating the risk of backfeed. Furthermore, these panels protect sensitive electronic equipment from voltage fluctuations and power surges. They often incorporate surge protectors and voltage regulators to ensure a stable and clean power supply to delicate electronics. Beyond safety, source selector panels simplify the process of switching between power sources. Instead of manually connecting and disconnecting cables, boat owners can select their desired power source with the flick of a switch. This centralized control enhances convenience and reduces the likelihood of errors that can occur during manual switching, making the entire electrical system more user-friendly. A source selector panel comprises several key components that work together to ensure safe and efficient power management. The heart of the panel is the source selector switch, which allows users to choose their desired power source. This switch can be manual, requiring the user to physically change the position, or automatic, using sensors to detect the available source and switch accordingly. Circuit breakers are another crucial component, protecting the electrical system from overloads and short circuits. These breakers automatically interrupt the flow of electricity if they detect a fault, preventing damage to wiring, appliances, and the panel itself. Voltage and frequency monitors are essential for ensuring compatibility between different power sources. They constantly monitor the incoming power and alert the user if the voltage or frequency deviates from acceptable ranges, preventing damage to equipment that requires specific electrical characteristics. Shore power is a convenient source of AC electricity available at marinas and docks. It allows boat owners to run appliances, charge batteries, and enjoy the comforts of home while docked. However, connecting to shore power requires careful consideration to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. Before plugging into shore power, it's crucial to inspect the cable and connections for any signs of damage. Frayed wires, cracked insulation, or corroded connectors can pose a significant shock or fire hazard. Additionally, boat owners should always ensure that their vessel's electrical system is compatible with the voltage and frequency provided by the shore power pedestal. Mismatched electrical characteristics can lead to equipment damage or malfunction. Using a shore power adapter can help bridge these differences and ensure a safe connection. Once connected, it's essential to observe proper grounding procedures. Proper grounding provides a safe path for electrical faults to flow into the earth, preventing electrical shocks. By following these precautions, boat owners can enjoy the convenience of shore power while minimizing the risks associated with electrical hazards. Section 5. Utilizing generators for AC power. When shore power is unavailable, marine generators provide a reliable source of AC electricity. These onboard powerhouses utilize internal combustion engines to generate electricity, allowing boat owners to run appliances and systems while at anchor or underway. Choosing the right generator for your boat depends on your power requirements. Consider the wattage demands of the appliances and systems you intend to run simultaneously. It's essential to select a generator that can comfortably handle the peak load without being overworked. Proper installation is crucial for safe and efficient generator operation. Ensure adequate ventilation to prevent the buildup of dangerous exhaust fumes. Additionally, the generator should be securely mounted to minimize noise and vibration. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your generator in top condition. This includes checking and changing the oil, inspecting air filters, and cleaning spark plugs. Following the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule ensures optimal performance and prolongs the lifespan of your generator. Section 6. Inverters converting DC to AC. While generators produce alternating current power directly, inverters offer a way to utilize the direct current power stored in your boat's batteries to run alternating current appliances. These devices convert the battery's direct current into alternating current, providing a convenient way to power small appliances without the need to run a generator. Inverters come in various sizes and power ratings, from small units designed for charging phones and laptops to larger models capable of running microwaves and air conditioners. When choosing an inverter, consider the wattage requirements of the appliances you intend to use. It's crucial to select an inverter that can handle the peak load of your appliances without overloading the system. Installing an inverter typically involves connecting it to the boat's battery bank and then wiring the alternating current output to the desired circuits or outlets. Proper ventilation is essential for inverter operation, as they generate heat during the conversion process. Ensure adequate airflow around the inverter to prevent overheating and potential damage. Section 7. Manual versus automatic source selection. Source selector panels come in two primary varieties, manual and automatic. Manual source selectors require the boat owner to physically switch between sources using a selector switch on the panel. This method is straightforward and cost-effective, but requires user intervention whenever a different power source is desired. Automatic transfer switches, on the other hand, automate the process of switching between sources. They utilize sensors to detect the presence of shore power or generator power and automatically connect the appropriate source. This eliminates the need for manual switching and ensures a seamless transition between power sources. While generally more expensive than manual systems, automatic transfer switch units offer increased convenience and can be programmed with specific priorities, such as prioritizing shore power over generator power. The choice between manual and automatic source selection depends on your budget, desired level of convenience, and the complexity of your boat's electrical system. Section 8. Installation and safety considerations. Proper installation of a source selector panel is paramount for ensuring the safety and reliability of your boat's electrical system. It's crucial to adhere to established electrical codes and standards, such as those outlined by the American Boat and Yacht Council. These standards provide comprehensive guidelines for wiring, component selection, and installation practices to ensure a safe and compliant electrical system. Before beginning any electrical work, always disconnect all power sources to prevent electrical shock. Use appropriately sized wiring for the current carrying capacity of each circuit, and double-check all connections to ensure they are tight and secure. Proper grounding is essential for safety, providing a low-resistance path for fault currents to flow to ground, reducing the risk of electrical shock. Ensure that all grounding conductors are properly connected to the boat's grounding system, and consider using a galvanic isolator to minimize the risk of galvanic corrosion. Section 9. Maintenance and troubleshooting. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your source selector panel and associated electrical system in optimal condition. Periodically inspect the panel for any signs of wear and tear, such as loose connections, corroded terminals, or damaged wiring. Tighten any loose connections, clean or replace corroded terminals, and repair or replace any damaged wiring promptly. Test the functionality of circuit breakers by periodically tripping and resetting them to ensure they are working correctly. If you experience issues with your electrical system, such as trip breakers or power loss, start by checking the source selector panel. Ensure that the correct source is selected and that all breakers are in the on position. If the problem persists, consult the troubleshooting section of your panel's manual or seek assistance from a qualified marine electrician. By understanding how your source selector panel works and following these maintenance and troubleshooting tips, you can help ensure the safe and reliable operation of your boat's electrical system for years to come.